Despite the constant hustle and bustle in the city of Fatora in Goa, there is also a hidden side of its beauty that lies in the form of lush green fields, streams, and natural greenery. Goa, a nature's getaway, known for its exquisite beauty, with enthralling experiences, Goa is full of beautiful surprises. But one thing that it's equally famous for is its food. Goan cuisines are dominated by spices and flavors. The intermixing of multiple cultural elements is mirrored within the cuisines of Goa and came out of a merger of various cultures that it came into contact with. Coconut milk, rice, fish, along with local spices are the basic ingredients of the cuisines of Goa. A wide variety of seafood such as prawns, pomfret, crabs, clams, along with chicken and mutton are used for making non-veg curries, thick gravies, Goan biryani, sukhas, soups and pickles. And that's what makes them so special. And in one word, Goan. Homework masalas are made from the heart and made at home, empowering the women of Fatora. Masalas like Goan Pedne Masala, Goan Cafreal Paste, Goan Biryani, Mutton, Tisryo, Kullyo Masala, Goan Prawns Curry Masala, Goan Xacuti Masala, Goan Vegetable Masala, and many more. Their hand-grounded masalas are a product of Fatora, which produced, processed, packaged, promoted and marketed by Prayatnya, an attempt. You can buy these authentically made Goan masalas online on www.homeworkgoa.com.